Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on our channel 1 to Step. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group on Facebook. To quickly get started in the video, firstly open up your Facebook app and then head over to the group section by tapping on the three lines on the top right and then tap on groups. Now in this section, you'll be able to see all the groups that you have joined. Now to see all of your groups that you've created, you can tap on your groups on the top. And now you'll be able to see all of your groups that you've created under groups you manage. Now tap on the one that you want to delete. Now from here, tap on the shield icon on the top right and then scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then on the bottom right you'll be able to see an option of delete group. If you want to permanently delete this group, then you can tap on this option, but you can also pause it to temporarily disable it. But if you want to permanently delete it, you can tap on delete group and again tap on delete group. Now as soon as you do that, you can see that the group you've created now has been removed. That's how easily you can delete a group on Facebook. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.